We know that for children, it's impossible to learn on an empty stomach, and when kids are sent to school without enough to eat, it's very difficult for them to focus and to learn and to thrive. And research has also shown that one single bout of malnutrition as a child can have lifelong consequences, and that affects our community as well. About 42,000 people in Benton and Franklin counties are food insecure. So either they don't have enough to eat or they may not know literally where their next meal is coming from. We've actually tripled the number of our mobile market distributions since the pandemic hit in order to respond to the skyrocketing need that happened at that time. We attack this problem in a number of different ways. Through our Feeding Children initiative, we get food out to children, teens, and families in need in Benton and Franklin counties. We're also excited about our nutrition education program, which we pair with our mobile market distributions. And that is especially helpful for families with young children because we typically provide food samples pre-COVID. Of course, everything has changed now, where we might be able to introduce people to a fruit or vegetable they've never tried before. So in today's distribution, we are including some recipes in English and Spanish for some of the items that people will be receiving today. And that allows them to be a little creative, to stretch what they're getting into a few more meals. We've had a wonderful relationship with United Way, and we thank you so much for the funding that allows us to be able to continue to respond to the elevated need here in Benton and Franklin counties since the pandemic. Our costs have skyrocketed as well in terms of our ability to source and distribute food. We are having to do contactless distributions. That requires more staff time. Everything is pre-boxed before it leaves our warehouse. So that requires also additional packaging materials, storage space, and more frequent trips out to our partner food banks and mill sites right here in Benton and Franklin counties. After the Great Recession, it took 10 years for the average food insecure family to be able to get back to where they had been before. So it's foreseeable that it could take another 10 years to fully recover from COVID-19's effects. At Second Harvest, we believe that hunger is unacceptable, so we do everything that we can in order to meet the need. The ultimate goal, of course, is to provide a lot of healthy, fresh food for people in need and educate them, maybe to introduce them to a fruit or vegetable that they've never tried before, encouraging them maybe to take a piece of fruit rather than a cookie at snack time, and to be able to positively affect health outcomes here in the Tri-Cities.